Hi fellas, and I'm back with the videos. Sorry that it was no videos for about a week or more. And yeah, it was really a lot of work here and was no time for making the video, because as you know, when you're disassembling the tool or assembling it on a video, it takes twice, if not more longer. And yep, if you can remember in the previous videos about, I don't know, 3 weeks or a month ago, I have changed the motor for the Bosch GSR 10.8 lead cordless drill, and that was the good fix with saving the money. And now I have the problem with it. I really overloaded it, really stupidly, but I'm doing that same with this drill. So I did same with this one. I'm just unscrewing the screw and screwing it with a hand if the drill cannot do that. And what I have now, I think now my gear is spinning on the motor IC. Of course, I want to use this drill for myself, and that's a good way to test the changing way of the gear. I changed this gear by heating it and pulling it out. Okay, now I will deassemble this drill and find out what's the problem. Of course, we need to remove the pin here. Yeah, it's a Torx 10, we need a Torx 8. I have the tank tools, Torx 8. Okay, and where's the motor? We need a motor here. I don't want to get the gear IC. Yep, and what can we see? That the armature is, sorry, not the armature, the motor and the gear is here, and it can move backward and forward. Yeah, and now we can see that it's just spinning on the IC. You can see that the IC is not moving, but the gear is spinning. And what I will try to do, I will try to use the glue, just glue. And now I'm thinking about epoxy or the special glue, but I think I'll use the epoxy. Okay, I'll disconnect the motor. Okay, yeah, the gear is really spinning around, and that's not good for me. Okay, and we have the IC here. Okay, if I use the epoxy, maybe it will be good. Maybe. Yep, where's my epoxy? Okay, I will glue it with the epoxy and then put the IC on, and I think I will test it. I can show you, of course, how I put the epoxy. Now I have the Sarau, it's a cheap one. Yep, I will use the same paper to mix it. Just getting both of elements on a paper. And I really like this epoxy because it's hard to press only the one of the elements. But as I said, it's cheap. Okay, just mixing it. You can see how it's changing the color. That's good side. Okay, now I will put it on the SE. Just spinning it to get the epoxy on the SE. And getting it around. I don't know if it helps or not. If not, you can always use the glues for the ball bearings. They are really good. Okay, I will. Honestly, I was not tried that with the epoxy, so it's a new thing for me. I will just lift it now a little bit because the acid goes back, as you can see. Okay, and we will see what will be when the epoxy will dry out. I'm back with the glued motor, and I'll try to zoom it. You can see I have put the glues here. Okay, focus you. Okay, it's glue here, and I left it for a couple of days. Of course, check if the motor is still spinning around, and yeah, it's spinning. So now I will assemble the drill back, and I will test it. It's a red dot for the red wire, other one for the black. Connecting everything with the gear IC. And I hope this time I will not break it so fast. Of course, I know why it broke, because I was overloaded it, but still it will work in that conditions in my shop, so it must hold the overloads. Why are you not getting in? Cannot see why I cannot get it in. Maybe it's a pin. Yep, I think it was a pin. Now just trying to get the gear assy in the housing. Okay, now the gear assy. Not getting good here. Okay. Now it seems that the gear assy is good. Yep, the housing closes perfectly. I need a Torx 8 here. I have the 10 tools, Torx bit. You can find them in my eBay shop. Okay, just closing it, and now it's time to test it, how it sounds. It sounds normal. Now we have the power, and of course I think I will check it with a piece of wood and a screw. I will take the small screw here. Okay, not so small. Okay, the drilling mode. And I think I again have I have again the motor problem here, so the epoxy is not working here, so we need to find something better for this one. And now what's interested for me, if I can screw this screw in or not. Yeah, easily. Okay, so as you can see, the gluing the gear with the epoxy, it's not a good way, so I will try to find out a better way for that one, and of course I will be back with the third video of repairing this tool. So for now, just subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Always press thumbs up. I have the new Facebook group which is called Power Tool Fix. You can find it and join it. I will put the link in the description. And for now, just thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.